it's been crazy checking into our flight. We got to the airport and checking it all outside, and they told us that your ticket has already been used. What does that even mean by your ticket's already been used and we're at the airport right now? Bye bye, Grandma.
Bye bye, Grandma.
Bye bye, baby girl. Grandma,
bye
love
bye.
you, okay?
Hello, Tata. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye, Kunu.
Say bye bye to Sarah.
Sarah, go give kiss to Konu.
I'm gonna be a kissy bird. Be good, baby girl.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Today's the day where I packed up all my belongings and go back to where I belong. Back to France. Look at my brother. Say good morning. You ready for me to go back home? He said, You're not ready. I'm not ready either, but he said I have to move here. He's too funny. You guys, I'm doing my last Starbucks run. So why are you taking this one out? Oh, not Jesus. Sure. I'm doing my last Starbucks run today. Right now, before I go back home, and I want to say thanks to Miss R, that's what I'm gonna call her, Miss R, you know yourself, that sent me a Starbucks gift card while I'm here in the USA, and I've been really enjoying it. So thank you, Miss R. I appreciate you for sending me my a Starbucks card, because you guys know how much I love Starbucks. So I'm waiting on my sister-in-law to come in the car. And I think mom's coming too, so we can go to Starbucks, make a quick run and come back, because when I get back I have to finish putting my stuff in my suitcase, and then my brother is gonna drop us to the airport, because we have an evening flight, so we have to leave early so that we can beat the New York traffic, or stay in the traffic, have enough time to stay in the traffic to reach the airport. So it was good while it lasts. I enjoy every single moment, every single minute here in the USA, whichever state we go to, wherever we went. It was just amazing. The love from the family and seeing my family and my mom. Though the trip was short with mommy, but seeing her is better than not seeing her at all. So we're heading back home today. So stick and stay and enjoy today's vlog, which is going to be mostly sad goodbyes and on our journey back to France. So love you guys, and just saying that is making me start getting emotional already. I'll see you guys later. I'm not ready. I'm really not ready. But anyway, here we go.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good. Could I do Trenta strawberry acai refresher? No scoop strawberries, no ice, 2 of those.
No ice, no berries.
Yes, then I'll do a grande iced caramel macchiato with whip, extra caramel.
Extra caramel drizzle?
Yeah, or extra pump of caramel in it.
Oh, a pump of caramel. I'm sorry. And then you said whip.
Yep, and add whip. And then I'll do the same thing, grande, but warm.
Wait, but hot.
Yes.
You got it.
You want cheese Danish? And then I'm going to do 5 cheese Danishes. Bye, Starbucks, for the last time. Wow.
Till you come again.
Till I come back again with my Starbucks buddy.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Show off. Show off, Anika. The cheese Danish.
So you're still going to put the whip on it?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Last cousin rodeo. Enjoy it while it lasts. Enjoy it while it lasts, my kids. Because this won't happen again for a long time. The goodbyes have begun.
Bye-bye, Connor. Bye-bye, Connor. Bye. Bye. Go to France.
You're going to France?
Go give Sarah hugs.
Look,
Sarah.
Connor giving you a hug. Look, Sarah.
Come on,
Sarah,
Connor.
go hug Connor.
Go give hugs.
Yay, the besties. Oh my God. You've kind of busy. Good girl. Oh God, we need that picture. They might go miss each other, you see? Oh gosh.
Come get that hug.
Come, give Tata a hug. Come to Tata, hug. Come to Tata, hug. Hold this, catch this. Give Tata a hug. Oh, my baby boy, I'm gonna miss you. Give me a kiss. Kiss. Mwah. I love you. Say I love you, Tata. Oh, my pumpkin. He loves you himself. Watch it, joke. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? That's Connor? That's Connor? Look. Watch him blushing. Connor, who is that? Who is that?
Sarah, come hug
Who
Auntie.
is that?
Come hug
Sarah,
Tata.
go give Auntie a hug. Sarah, go give Tata a hug. Tell Tata bye-bye and hugs.
Bye-bye, Tata.
Bye-bye, Sarah.
Say, I'm gonna miss you. She says, see you soon.
See you soon.
Watch Mr. Jealous. Mr. Jealous, we're not carrying her with you. But watch when your bestie gone. Alright. No, we no finish this now. No. Sarah, don't touch. Tushpa. Fini. I do like Connor. Oh.
A little bit.
Come.
Okay.
Come, hold this for me. Come and go give me a hug.
What you want?
Hope I don't.
You're not gonna cry for any castle.
You know what you want?
The best 1 month ever.
It falls so short.
I know.
Want a kiss?
Mom!
I'm just going to see you soon.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hey, come here.
Bye-bye.
Come, give Grandma a hug.
Give
Grandma a hug. Hello? You gonna hug me? Come. Kiss Nana. Kiss Nana. Listen, little boy, listen. We'll see each other again.
I don't know, he's going to be so.
I don't know when I'm coming to France, but I'm gonna come to France at some point, okay? Just remember that Grandma love you, okay? Listen, what do I tell you about that book that I gave you? What do I tell you about the Bible? Listen. If you listen. Grandma love you with all her heart. Alright, look. Hello. Just be a good boy for Grandma, okay? Alright. Grandma have your back, okay? Just be a good boy, alright? Grandma have your back, alright? Grandma pray for you each night. Just be a good boy. Read your Bible and be a good boy, okay? Grandma love you, okay? Just hang up there, okay? And we'll talk. Yeah, Grandma big boy. You know that, right?
Sarah, non. That's hers.
Yeah,
like grandma, big boy. You know that, right? Alright?
Go hug Uncle
Just
Pam.
take care of mama. Just take care of mama and take care of Sarah, okay? Do that for grandma, okay? Alright. We're good.
That was good.
Sarah, come give grandma a hug. Hey. Come.
Tell grandma bye-bye.
Hug grandma. Tell her bye-bye.
I love you.
I love you. You know I love you, right?
Hello, Tai-Tai. Hello, Tai-Tai. Hello, Papa.
I love you.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, grandma.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye, baby girl. Grandma
Bye-bye.
love you, okay?
Hello, Tai-Tai. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Kunu.
Say bye-bye to Sarah.
Sarah, go give kiss to Kunu.
I'm gonna be a kissy for her.
We good, baby girl. We good. We good.
Wipe your tears on me, don't
Bye-bye.
Candy.
Look here. Kiss it, grandma.
Give grandma kisses. We'll get candy.
Little candy.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Here is it, the tie.
It's okay, Ty.
Come on, love me, Delaveaus. Yeah. Anytime.
Say rub it.
Look at Papa's tummy.
Take care of my girls and my
8 months
boy for me.
pregnant.
No.
I take care of you, okay?
Oh, we know he will.
Yeah.
Can
Hang in
I?
there.
Wait, Olivia. Somebody get Olivia for me now, please.
We're leaving.
It's okay.
Allez.
It's okay.
All right, Papa.
It's okay.
All right.
We're going to France. Going to France. Going to see Auntie and Ty
You're going to France next year? All right, T-beard.
It's okay, Papa. Olivia. So bye-bye to Auntie.
Bye-bye, princess. I love you.
Say bye-bye to Uncle.
Bye-bye.
Oh. Just say bye-bye to Olivia. Jeez, what
I'm
a
so cold.
AC there.
Bye-bye. To friends.
We're going to France, not to French. It's time to say goodbye to New York City. Honey, you ready to go back home? You don't have a choice. You have no choice.
You said Delta?
My brother is driving. You ready to go home? No. Sorry, sleeping. You're not ready, but we have to. It's time to say goodbye. You guys see how my eyes red and swollen from all that crying? Yeah, look at the plane moving, Ty. Look, in front of you. There's a plane right there. Look at it. Look at the plane. Look up there, look up. It's big.
Oh, they're going on top of us.
Oh, yes. I miss you so much. Take care. Give me that. And we'll talk.
Yep. Naruto.
Bye-bye. Alright. Good job. Yeah.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need
Being crazy checking into our flight. We got to the airport and checking it on outside, and they told us that your ticket has already been used. What does that even mean by your ticket's already been used and we're at the airport right now? I don't know what happened when we were coming here, that our flight got cancelled and some changes had to be made. So I think during those changes something didn't go right and they didn't fix our return ticket properly. So our agents here at the airport has to be going around and figuring out what's going on and correcting our ticket. But thank God he figured it out and got us on the flight. So we are now heading to our gate. I'm making some order right now because we're hungry. I'm ordering Buffalo Wild Wings. So I'm ordering a serving of wings and a serving of fries so that we can be well on our way to go to our gate. But all in all, we got on the flight. We should be okay to head home. So yeah, we're in the airport right now.
taste in my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up.
Off to home we go. Made it to our flight. Everybody's all strapped in. Unfortunately, Sarah's screen is not working. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna try to get them fix it. One lady reset it earlier, but this still is not working. So she have to be watching my screen. Tyler is over here watching Star Wars, and Papa is over there watching whatever he's watching. We didn't get any window seat today.
He's not watching, I think he's searching.
He's searching. Okay.
Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough Cause time. I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Home sweet home. Time to pick up our fandangos and head to the house. No, that's ours. The one that they take off is ours. That's ours, honey. Go get it. Yes, that's ours. This is ours. This one and the other one. Yay, we get all our stuff. Yup, that. Babe. Oh. Merci.
Parce qu'après, sinon, c'est galère.
missing.
And that missing one is in
Shh, they make no noise.
slowly tightening back routine. Okay, Tyler is up because Tyler is a bit older than Sarah, so Tyler can stay up a little bit longer and breathe a bit without Sarah around.
1 month. Of course.
We're back. We're home. Ah!
Feels good. Home sweet home.
It's normal.
You understand
Mama,
the
I can say
sentence.
something to face?
Mm-hmm.
It's normal that we're at home. They already know before you say it, because if we was at home, they will hear. Either they will hear Connor and Olivia, either they will be Auntie Anika and Uncle Conrad. So
Not necessarily,
No, we can be
because when I'm
alone in
ending the
room.
vlog, I'm always in the room, so you're not right.
but the surrounding, they already saw this around.
That's what you
so
should have
they
said from the
know.
beginning.
She
The
said
surrounding.
they recognize the couch, the
Yeah.
kitchen.
You recognize the red cushion and the me.
Alright, finish now. Anyway, guys, we're back home, and let me just tell you guys, it was rough getting home, okay? Hard.
It's
Drama.
a story
Oh my god.
by itself.
Oh my god.
It's a story
I gave them
by
the little
itself.
drama when I was at Buffalo Wild Wings. Something with our ticket that the system come up saying that our ticket was used, and it was just chaos from there for about an hour. Crazy. It's a good thing that we go to the airport way in advance of our
And
check-in
3 hours
time.
in advance, but I'm wondering how much people need to go in advance, like 5 hours, 6 hours?
And the line, the normal line to check in, it's long
And can you believe this terminal was only
for Delta
the
flight.
Delta flight?
Was
Amount of-
long.
oh.
Long. But anyway, the flight too was bumpy. It's the first time I ever felt a flight with that much turbulence, but Babe traveled so much in the past that he said he's felt worse. But
It was cool.
it was the first I felt a flight with so
I was
much
playing
turbulence
Mario Kart with
through
Tyler.
it, and I was there like,
Straight. And I had that. When I just had to pause because I was bouncing too much.
Exactly.
I just said, okay,
And the
let's
Nintendo
pause.
was moving by itself.
and
Yeah.
Sarah cried. She was so tired. I felt so helpless. I didn't know what to do. I was so frustrated at one point. I'm like, Lord.
That was hard.
She
She
cried.
managed well.
She cried, she stopped, she cried, she stopped. Baby's over there playing Nintendo while I'm there struggling with Sarah. Like,
She did well.
oh
I tried to
God.
be, but in the same time, there's nothing that she could do that I can do. So I was just trying to make myself available. She wanted pee, okay, I'm here, give me her or whatever. But she also, every time I looking at her, she said pee.
Exactly.
I bring her to pee and 3 minutes after she come back, said pee.
She was so tired that she loved going to the bathroom because she don't know what to do with herself in the plane. She was exhausted, and it's like she couldn't shut her eye and sleep. At what point she was watching Mickey and she was crying and she was going, see her eyes. She was that tired, and she fell asleep like 45 minutes before we land, and she was out. We got home and we slept from midday until 4 p.m. We were so tired, and it's nighttime now, snatching back everybody into routine. I am so tired, so I'm going to lay down. I'm not doing nothing else for the rest of the day. We're kind of travelers that when we get home, we have to unpack our suitcases right away, because we like order, we like peace. So we unpack all our suitcases, 4, 5, 6 suitcases. We unpack them all.
So tomorrow we can have a cool day. I go back to work right away, so let's see how it goes. And she can just focus on organizing on next day, because a lot of change gonna come.
We'll give you guys that on the next day.
That's something that we have to start to.
Right away. That's why I love for the vacation during July, because August you have that to fall back and get everything in place. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoy all the vacation vlogs.
Indeed.
Let us know in the comment section how you enjoyed the vacation vlog.
Indeed.
So now that we're back, still stick around because a whole new adventure is coming up. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll definitely see you guys tomorrow.